What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video we will be working on my Malibu. A little backstory on this Malibu. I bought it about a year ago, got it repainted, blew the old motor and swapped in a new well, not new, but my old 396 stroker that was on my El Camino. The El Camino's gone. I sold it, guys. I'm sorry, but I got it running. It runs great. It's powerful. I started ordering more parts for it. I got a 9-inch rear end inside the house, just waiting for more components to come in so we can install it. But while I was ordering all those parts, even a new master cylinder for the brakes, I started to think about it. I was like, damn, I rushed this whole job last year because I wanted to drive it throughout the summer, which I did, and I enjoyed it so much, bro. A lot of people complimented this car and I was kind of happy, but I didn't do it my way. Well, I did it the rush way. So I've been thinking about it for the past few days and I came to a conclusion that we're gonna pull this motor out. Not because it's not running good or it's blown, none of that, but I want to make the engine bay look cleaner, bro. You feel me? All these wires, yeah, just repaint this whole entire thing. So I'm gonna remove the heater box because I don't have a heater no more. Just boom, boom, you know, get a what is this called? Heater core bypass, so I don't have to run these hoses no more. Like I said, get the filler piece that covers the what is this called, the heater box, and then after that I'm just gonna weld it and shave it and repaint the whole entire engine bay with the same color that's on the car right now. Y'all see it? Boom, boom. See the vision? You see the vision? So I'm gonna do it the right way, bro, you know, and just slow it down. I had fun last year. It's currently March right now in Seattle and the sun is beaming. Where's the sun? Right there. The sun's beaming right now. So it's a perfect weather for me to pull this motor out today. I pretty much just took off everything that's connected to the chassis, like my throttle cable, like the hoses and my gas lines. They're all pretty much out. I just had to take out number 7 and 8 cylinder header because they wrap around the frame, and that should be it. I'm just gonna go and pretty much take off the drive line, take off the cross member and all the mount, and this thing should be ready to be pulled out. Okay. Whew, feels so good to be under here.
Oh, this is clutch. Okay.
The drive line's out. We're pretty much ready, I think. We got Kevin over here helping me out, giving me a set of hands, you know. I'm excited. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about earlier. All these wires, we're gonna try to tuck it and just make the engine bay look way cleaner. And that big old heater box right there is gonna be gone. It's all gonna be flat. Cause I had some issue, or he had some issue before, and it cracked over there.
My dad dropped the motor in too fast.
See, like I did last year, I rushed the job just because I wanted to drive it in the summer. Everything is unhooked. Now we're gonna pull this bad boy out. First one or middle?
Middle. Well, if you go to the back one, it's going to tilt it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It matters on what you want.
I did put it on there without no valve cover. Oh, okay.
Turning lines. Let's get him some gloves. Tell him.
There we go. There we go.
There we go. Let's go straight up.
Oh, this is there's a crack from the bottom.
Okay.
Put it more.
Just pull it this way. Lift. Put it on
This for now. Check this thing out. We had to remove the valve cover because it's very tall compared to like the other valve covers out there, and it was smacking that thing right there. Which when we put this back, we're not gonna have to worry about it anyways. But yeah, she's out. What can you say, sir?
Hey, nice job.
Who did more work? I think you did more work than me. Thank you. Well, yeah, we kept the headers on there. I'm gonna remove it anyways because I'm gonna take all these wires out and probably reroute them somewhere and start prepping. I still gotta order the firewall plate. Should come here next week. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna start like cleaning all the wires first and then go from there. Go ahead.
Let it slide, or do you want it to roll, or what?
That should be good right there. Just like that.
You ready?
Oh man, he said I'm never helping you ever again. All right, man. The motor is safely inside my carport. safely. You see it? Yeah. But huge shout out to my guy Kevin. He's gone now. He left. Uncle Kevin, thank you so much for pulling through and helping me out. That went way faster than me doing it myself. So, huge shout out to you, man. Thank you. And that's the guy who I bought the Malibu from. Which is the crazy part, because we became close friends. Yeah. But she's sitting here all pretty now. Covered. Yeah. But we're going to be removing the 350 transmission and installing back my Turbo 400 on here. That's the same exact setup that was on my El Camino. This thing will be crispy. I paid a lot of money for that transmission, man. I believe it was like a stage 2, stage 3, or one of those. But that thing, you could feel that shift like boom, boom. This one, you can't even feel the shifts, bro. So I'm kind of happy that we got this motor out. I'm gonna go show you guys the engine bay real quick. You wanna be my vlog today?
What is this?
That's just a coolant reservoir.
No, like the...
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's cold.
But
Are you not cold?
not really. But the engine bay looks pretty clean, man. You know, my plans for this is getting it all cleaned up. All these nasty wires, that little firewall plate like I said earlier, and pretty much like, you know, just redo everything correctly. Like, I don't want to see no wires at all. So like when I go to like Cars and Coffee or some, or any car meets, all I gotta do is pop the hood and not have to worry about all these crazy wires that's showing. Yeah, I am super excited, man. We're gonna get this repainted, and this for sure will look crispy by the summertime, or I don't know when, but we're gonna take it slow and steady, so no rushing this time. But that's it for today, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys want to stick around and see more of the current projects and the future projects, hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Peace.